Hello dear students, welcome once again to our channel Maths in Minutes with Priya. Today is clip 107 of this channel and we are going to deal with geometric progression part 2. In part 1, that is previous clip, we have already learned the basic concepts, the basic formulas about Tn and Sn, that is nth term and sum of finite terms, infinite terms, and examples also we have solved. So first you can watch part 1 and then you can come to part 2. So today we are going to solve bit advanced level examples based on GP, and I am going to show you a trick to make those examples easy. So concentrate and let's begin. Find sum of the terms in the following sequence: 9, 99, 999 up to 100th term. I want their sum. So first I need to ascertain whether it is AP or GP, because I have the ready formula for sums in if it is arithmetic progression or geometric progression. So let me see. In arithmetic progression, there has to be constant difference between consecutive terms. 9 and 99 difference is 90. 99 and 999 difference is 900. So definitely it is not AP. Is it GP? So I need to see whether there is common ratio. 99 upon 9 is 11. 999 upon 99 is not 11. That means ratio is also not common. So it is neither AP nor GP. So now what can I do? I should now convert it to AP or GP. Let's see how. Now I want their sum. That is my question. I want sum of these terms. When I look at these numbers, the first thing that comes to my mind is I can take 9 common. If I take 9 common, in bracket these terms remain. But again I cannot do anything with these terms, so I just cancel this. इसका कुछ फायदा नहीं है. Then another thing strikes to me. 999, 999, they are all one short to some round amount. 9 is what? 10 minus 1. 99 is 100 minus 1. 99 is 999 is 1000 minus 1, and so on up to 100th term, right? So when I consider 10, 100, 1000, they are definitely in GP. Constant ratio is 10. So I am going to write this down. This sum I am going to break like this. And now what I'll do? I'll take all this 10, 100, 1000 in one bracket and this minus 1 in another bracket like this. Ten is 10 raised to 1, 100 is 10 square, 1000 is 10 cube, and so 100 term will be 10 raised to 100 minus 100 times, so it is 100. Let's see, minus 1 minus 1 minus 100 times means minus 100. If I observe these terms, now they are definitely in GP, where first term is 10, common ratio is also 10, and n is 100. I have formula for Sn, sum of n terms. So I am substituting value of A, R and N in this formula. And then this minus 100 I'll copy as it is. So for this sum I have to copy minus 100 as it is. So when I simplify, I'll get this answer. Now in your options A, B, C, D, you may have this answer or it may have this answer also. This minus 100 तो 9 इधर गया, minus 900 upon 9. Answer ये होगा नहीं तो ये होगा. You have to see the options and accordingly you have to tick the options. Both answers are right. Both answers are same only. So you can see the options and likewise you can click. Wasn't it very easy? So what we did? 999, 999, everything we converted in this form, 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1. So it became 1 GP and then ये -1 अलग से -100 में GP का फॉर्मूला ही है अपने पास, तो आंसर आ गया वेरी इजीली. Now during exam, they may not always give 999, 999. They may give you something like this, 777, 777 or 555, 555. In that case, how do we solve? Let's see that. There is one trick for this formula, this examples also. And what is that? When I look at these terms, I want their sum. So if I take 7 out, in the bracket it is 1 plus 11 plus 111 up to 100 term. But इसका कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. I have formula for this. अभी हमने solve किया 999 ये वाला अभी हमने solve किया. So I know how to solve this, but I don't know how to solve this. Can I convert 111, 111 to this 999 and 999? How can I convert? Use little brain, little common sense. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to multiply this bracket by 9 upon 9. See, when I multiply by 9 upon 9, it's like I'm multiplying by 1, so I'm not changing any value, right? So I'm going to multiply by 9 and divide by 9 also. Now what will happen? Take this 9 inside. Let 7 upon 9 remain outside. Take 9 inside. So inside the bracket now it becomes 9 plus 99 plus 999 up to 100 term. Now I know how to solve this. I've already solved. So just जो मेरा already आया हुआ है आंसर मैंने यहाँ पे डाल दिया. 7 upon 9 is outside and my answer is ready. Now what I suggest, we have solved this. प्लीज़ बाय हार्ट दिस. ये मेमोराइज करो क्योंकि एक्चुअली बैठ के मेमोराइज करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. 4 एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करोगे तो ये याद रह जाएगा. सो व्हेन यू गेट समथिंग लाइक 555, 777, 777 तो ये आइडिया करना है. सीधा 7/9 बाहर ले लो और अंदर ये टर्म डाल दो. योर आंसर इज़ रेडी विद इन 1 second. So if you get 5 plus 55 plus 555, then what you will do? Take 5 upon 9 outside. अंदर ये आ जाएगा. ये तुमको मेमोराइज हो ही गया है. डाल दो. Your answer is ready. So in your options A, B, C, D, एक तो ये आंसर मिलेगा. नहीं तो again you have to simplify it. 7 को अंदर लेके गए तो ये बन गया 70. ये बन गया 6300 and denominator 9 9s are 81. So in your options, either it will be this answer or this answer. You have to see and then tick accordingly. So my suggestion is, इसका value तो by heart ही करके रखो जो अभी हमने solve किया. When you understand it how to solve, ये by heart भी हो जाता है. उसमें कोई difficult नहीं है क्योंकि तुमको formula पता है SN का, right? So if you get this problem, what you will do? Just take 5 upon 9 outside और जो अभी हमने बाय हार्ट किया हुआ है टर्म, दिस वन, इसको यहाँ डाल दो. आंसर रेडी. 8 plus 88 plus 888 अप टू 100 टर्म ऐसा रहेगा तो 8 upon 9 बाहर, ये अंदर. आंसर इज रेडी. विद इन फ्यू सेकंड्स योर आंसर विल बी रेडी. नेक्स्ट सम. Find the sum of n terms 12 plus 104 plus 1006 plus 10,008 up to n terms. We need to find their sum. Again, when I look at this sequence, it's definitely not AP and definitely not GP. So what can I do now? Again, like the last problem only, we have to convert it into either AP or GP and accordingly we have to think कि कैसे कर सकते हैं. कुछ कॉमन डिफरेंस, कुछ कॉमन रेशो लेके आ सकते हैं क्या. एंड अगेन व्हेन आई नोटिस दिस इज़ नियर टू 100, दिस इज़ नियर टू 1000, दिस इज़ नियर टू 10,000, दिस इज़ नियर टू 10, ऐसे ऑब्जर्व करते जाने का कॉमन सेंस. because whatever examples we are solving here, same examples are not going to be in exam, right? थोड़ा बहुत difference रहेगा. तो सोचने का कैसा ये मैं समझा रही हूँ कि when you look at these terms तो उसका nearest round term कौन सा है? 10, 100, 1000 वाला तो है, definitely है. 12 can be written as 10 plus 2, 104 as 100 plus 4, 1006 as 1000 plus 6, 10,008 as 10,000 plus 8 up to n terms. Now I can take this 10, 100, 1000 in one bracket up to n terms and 2, 4, 6, 8 in another bracket up to n terms. Isn't it this GP and this AP? ये geometric progression है. Ratio is 10, 10, 10 से 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000, 1000 into 10, 10,000. 10 का ratio से बढ़ते जा रहा है. And again this is what? This is AP because there is common difference. So this is the example of combination of GP and AP. Sometimes it's pure AP, sometimes it's pure GP, but this example is a combination of GP and AP. So first let me deal with this GP. 10, 100, 1000. So A is 10, first term. Common ratio is 10 and I need sum of n terms. And I have the formula Sn is equal to A in the bracket r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So I am substituting values of A and r in this formula and I get this answer. Now let me take sum of these terms in AP up to n terms. This is up to n terms. So what is A here? First term is 2. Common difference D is also 2. So I am substituting value of A and D in the formula of Sn. Sn is sum of n terms. So n upon 2 in the bracket 2A, that will be 4, plus n minus 1 into common difference is 2. So when I simplify, I get n in the bracket n plus 1. So I have this sum of terms of GP and then sum of terms of AP. Now I will add both of them like this and my answer is ready. Now you have to see the options. Options में शायद थोड़ा simplify भी किया होगा. This will be n square plus n. फिर ये 9 इधर गया, ऐसा कुछ कुछ करके भी किया होगा. So you have to see the options accordingly and then tick. This is also right answer. And one more thing you can do is, now this is what? This is 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms. तो ये भी अगर तुमको बाय हार्ट ही हो गया तो फिर एग्ज़ाम में कोई प्रॉब्लम आया तो सीधा ये डाल ही सकते हो ना, उसमें कुछ टेंशन की बात नहीं. एंड 2 + 4 + 6 to 8 अप टू 8 टर्म्स का आंसर n × n + 1 आता है. मतलब ये दो अगर बाय हार्ट भी हो गया ना तो इस टाइप का प्रॉब्लम्स you will solve in few seconds. Now suppose 12 की जगह you get here 11, then 101, then say 1001, मतलब 10 + 1, 100 + 1, 10,000 + 1, समझो ऐसे आते गया. Then you know that 10 + 100 + 1000 plus up to n terms का सम ये आता है. And then you can use this as shortcut. एकदम आसान बन जाएगा. So जितना हो सके उतना मतलब सॉल्व करते करते मेमोराइज करते जाओ so that you can save your time in exam. In next clip we are going to deal with this type of problems. A ball is thrown from 500 meters. It bounces 4 by 5 times. ये तुमने पढ़ा होगा एग्जाम्स में. देख के फिजिक्स का प्रॉब्लम लगता है वेलोसिटी स्पीड वाला, बट एक्चुअली इज बेस्ड ऑन जीपी and very easy to solve. In next clip we will see those shortcuts also. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel Maths in Minutes with Priya, please do so. It's absolutely free. So see you in the next part. Till then, keep practicing, stay happy and stay blessed. Bye for today.